Get ready, start. The government of Karnataka, the appellant herein submits that the respondent continued in the new position as first division assistant at the place as was accepted by her from 1989 to 2007. However, when the seniority list was released in 2007, she approached the Karnataka Administrative Tribunal for challenging the final seniority list on the ground that her seniority must be fixed as per her initial appointment as a staff nurse on 5 January 1979 and not on the basis of her entry into the new cadre on 19 January 1989 as First Division Assistant. The tribunal allowed the original application by following the decision of the High Court in the state of Karnataka versus Sri K. Sitharam. The writ petition filed by the state of Karnataka challenging the decision of the tribunal was dismissed by the order impugned before us. This is how the state is in appeal. We heard learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state and the learned counsel for the respondent para. The factual background as indicated herein above clearly establishes that the change of cadre from a staff nurse to first division assistant occurred due to a request by the respondent and the same was considered under the 1977 recruitment rules to consider whether the final seniority list is legal or not. We need to examine the mandate of Rule 16, which is extracted herein for ready reference. Notwithstanding anything contained in these rules or the rules of recruitment, especially made in respect of any service or post, the government may, for reason to be recorded, a rating appoint to a post 1 an officer of the defense services in all India services or a civil service of the union or the civil service of any other state to an officer holding a post of an equivalent grade by transfer or by deputation from any other service of the state for recruitment to which these rules apply, provided that appointment by transfer under this sub-clause shall not be made unless the officer has passed the examination prescribed under the Karnataka Civil Services Rule 1974 for the post to which he is proposed to be transferred, provided further that where it is necessary in public interest to appoint an officer belonging to a service where has no equivalent grade, an officer holding a post in the next lower grade in such service may be appointed by deputation for a period not exceeding 2 years, provided also that no such appointment shall be to a post which is equivalent to or higher than the next promotional post to such officer in such other service. Stop.